Hey guys, did you get these with your Tyrannus and you're thinking, oh great, I got free joystick protection. And then you put it on and you notice, yeah, they fall off. So you're gonna throw these away, were you? No, don't, because you can do this. Isn't that great? Well, I am going to tell you how you can turn this one into this one. Yeah, I know, they look the same, I know. So all you need is, I got some self-adhesive Velcro. This is the plastic side with the hooks. You don't need the other one. Some scissors. And something to measure with. So what I did is I cut off a piece of about, let's see if I can show this to you. It's a bit far, like this. 4.2 centimeters. That's all you need. It can depend on which Velcro you're using, because maybe the plastic is a little bigger or the hooks are a bit smaller, so you gotta just try and see what suits you. But all I do is you take your joystick protector, put this away, you just peel this off so it sticks to the inside, and then you gotta, I'll try to show it to you, you gotta roll it and try to roll it as firm as you can. Make a very small little piece of it. You take your joystick protector and you just shove it in there. Try to get it as deep as possible without letting go of it, because then it will snap open. Okay, it's in there. It's in there. You can see it now. It's in there. And then you just take something like this. Something small. Maybe a toothpick. Toothpick could help you as well. And you just insert it like this. And you press the Velcro up against the edge of your joystick protector. Use enough force. The more force you use, the harder it will stick. It also helps if you clean out your plastic before you stick something into it, but I did that before the video. Yeah, forgot to mention that, sorry. So, we're almost done here. Okay, it's in there. Yeah, this camera doesn't focus very well, but you get the idea, I think. Okay, now shove it under and it doesn't fall off. So you can just put it in your backpack and you don't have to worry about damaging those sticks. Okay, I hope I helped you. I hope you can use what you learned today, and happy flying.